I was a flat artwork file for years, used in print ads for recipes and cooking. Now I'm animated and get to visit my character animated grandkids. Head over to our website and learn how to animate any flat file artwork. Engage your audience with talking and walking character animation. Use character animation in your next video ads or video reels and video shorts.
When I was a flat artwork character, I was totally stuck when I wanted to go places. Now I can run to catch the bus, talk, walk, and see the world. Learn to engage your target audience with animated characters. Visit our website to learn an in-demand marketable skill.
Yes, of course I think I'm all that. Why? Because for years I was a simple flat artwork. Now I can walk, talk, and travel. You need to learn this amazing marketable skill today. Engage your target audience and animate flat artwork characters now. Visit our website and learn a great marketable software skill right now.